Hello, my name is Joanne Purrier, and this presentation on my professional communications course is to fulfill a requirement for my University of North Texas course, Technology-Based Learning Environments. As today's students graduate from high school, they'll be entering a highly competitive global information economy. They need to be able to collaborate effectively and ethically in global networks, using global network technologies to build relationships and partnerships. In an attempt to bring these young people success in such a market, the Career and Technical Education Unit, the CTE, in the Division of Curriculum of the Texas Education Agency compiled a list of Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills, the TEKS, that each student should acquire in their CTE coursework. This course meets the digital requirements for the TEKS in professional communication. So let me show you the course. I have it divided up to the home page. The modules are the heart of the course and the syllabus. The home page shows the students an overview of things that they might need to know, their requirements. The syllabus gives them information about me, what the course description is, how they can communicate, what they need to have for the course, online discussions, a statement about plagiarism, the normal things that would be in a syllabus, and the course summary. However, the heart of the course is in the modules. There are 6 modules in the course: the introduction module, the module for the portfolio, the module for the resume, and beside each one of the modules it tells them how many hours they need to spend, 9 hours on the typography. They have a short play, they have a logo and a letterhead to do, that'll take them 10 hours. And then the final module is a survey of the class for the students to take to help me understand what they thought of the class. So the first module is more or less a welcome module. You can see that there are several things there with 0 points, things for them to go over. They go over the welcome. There's a little thing on there about me as the instructor. The technical requirements, but they'll have to have from their computer how to get started in Canvas, outline on netiquette working in online. Their first assignment is to make a speech about me. It's called a me bag speech. They are given the instructions to take 5 to 7 objects that represent who they are, their interests, their achievement, their personality, put them in a bag, and then pull them out one by one and explain how that helps describe who they are. There's also a rubric there to help them. And then they'll put that speech they'll record, and they're given information on how to record it. They'll put it in the discussion board, and then they have to respond to 2 other videos just to get to know each other during the first module. The course is built around the portfolio. The second module is they're going to build a portfolio in Weebly. Everything that they create in their course is going to go into their portfolio. So here they're creating a portfolio. There's their some directions, information, how to create a portfolio in Weebly, and then there's a resume to make sure that they have everything that they needed it. Then once that portfolio is made, the resume and the typography and everything will go in that portfolio. So there's more for this third module. They're going to write a resume. So I've given them some information about how to and why, because it's important to know why. So I'll be creating a resume. I've given them some examples. They're going to interview their buddy, which they got in the first module. They chose their buddy. They'll interview each other, so they'll have information to put on the resume, help them kind of think together what they might put on a resume. And they have a rubric, and then they have a discussion question about the resume. The typography module, again, has PowerPoints and video about typography. They'll take a quiz on the vocabulary of typography. They're going to look a little bit into color theory, create a color wheel so they can have a little reminder about color before they go into their project and create a poster for using typography. The next module is script writing. They're going to write a small play. They're going to have a vocabulary quiz on the terminology, and they have a template. After they've watched the video about the script, they're going to watch this. They're going to have a template to create a short script. Then with their buddy, they will create a script, and then they will perform it. They'll record it, and they will put it on the discussion board this time for their peers to evaluate. And finally, the last project will be a logo and a letterhead. They'll look at what are good logos, what is the importance of a logo, some good descriptions of logos. They'll do a logo search in Google, find 5 logos, and then have to write about why they're good and why they're bad, paper about that. And they will create their logo and discuss why they created that way. And then once they have the logo, they have some instructions here to create a letterhead using their logo in Word, and then they have a rubric for that. And finally, they have a survey that they'll take to help me improve my course by getting feedback from them. So this is my course. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you saw things that you'd be interested in. And I thank you for watching.